Bill Gates, owner of Microsoft, has just announced that he thinks that ChatGPT has plateaued. Not only ChatGPT, but the creation and advancement of AI is plateaued. Right now, he thinks ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT 5 won't be a major difference between one or the other. He said that it would be a lot of research coming out in the next 2 to 5 years. There will probably be another jump, but as of now, we have reached a ceiling. He said that there may be uses and other applications that can be made with the current use of AI technology, certain niches and certain things in your life, like maybe applying AI to homes, real estate, automotive, those type of things. But as of now, he thinks it's plateauing. He said he could be wrong, but in the future, he still thinks it's going to be very strong and it will progress further in the future. Right now, he also said that the cost for AI is very expensive, but per user cost is not that much. Like making a ChatGPT search or query is about 3 to 5 cents right now per question. He also said the power consumption by superconductors and other pieces for the use of AI is still high, but in the future, those costs will go down.